announced. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in
Morning, guys.
listen-only mode.
Very good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Don, Deepak, Albert, fellas. Dennis, good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, July 18. We do have a little bit of news this morning. I think we have retail sales. We do. Retail sales. That's going to be it. 10 o'clock, National Association of Home Builders Housing Market Index. That won't be much. Retail sales is big. And then at 10 o'clock, we have Michael Barr speaking. Fair lending practices. So I don't think that'll have any effect on us. This morning, we did have some bank earnings. Lockheed Martin beat, I know. Morgan Stanley beat. I did not see PNC. Bank of America also beat. Nothing after the close today. Tomorrow's going to be big. Nice job, Ray. Nice job. Tomorrow is Netflix and Tesla. IBM as well. I don't really care about American Airlines. Three more days. Nice job, Ray. Nice job. Great job. Yesterday was a great day in the room, guys. Great day in the room. I added personally one PA account while we were in the room. Did over 3,200, I think, on that account. And then I added another in the afternoon, some of which was done in the order flow class. So I added two, which now puts me at 18. 18. Two more, and I guess I'm done futzing around with those. In any event, today is Tuesday. We're moving through the week. Markets are kind of chopping around in a good morning, Patrick. Very small range, really small. NASDAQ is currently off 20. ES is off 3. YM is off 22. EMD is off 5. Russell is off 3. Gold is up $12.70. Silver obviously up as well. Crude's up 21 cents. Natural gas is also up. I think natural gas on the cusp of a breakout. We'll look at charts. But looking at equities, Apple, let's call it flat, off 9 cents. AMD is off 47 cents. Microsoft up a dime. There is no stopping the freight train that is NVIDIA. Up another $4 freaking. It's crazy. Microsoft, I think I set up 6 cents. Tesla's flat, down 22 cents. $300 is clearly in the cards. Over 300 for Tesla. It's going 330. Netflix up 264. Meta's down $1. In any event, we won't do any trades until 8:30. We get through retail sales. I don't think. Let me read the disclaimer, and we will get on with it. We do have one trial this week. I did not do any advertising for trials. Did not offer any trials, but welcome back to day 2 in the room. Yesterday was a good day with the bot, although it didn't have a huge day. It was up 1,800, closed up. I forget where it closed up, 5 something. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for zone. I don't think we give that zone up today at all. We still have 1,000 net buyers, guys. We're down on 60 sellers. Excuse me. $1,300 net buyers. This is just pre-market garbage. So we do have a mind. Almost to 1,400 net buyers. I mean, are my levels good or are they good? That's the overnight low. Morning, Mohammed. Anybody long? It's longs, guys. I'm telling you, it's longs. Need to get above the point of control. We go back to 28. Nice job, Archie. Still would like 28 for a target. Need to get above 25. And we'll get 28. Push to the top of the 2-minute cloud. Needs to break out above that cloud. There is no reason that I see to be short. None. The 10-minute is long. Resistance is going to be 21. Hourlies need to get above 841, 842. If this pushes down again, some sellers in here. There's no reason for this to sell. There's just none. Other than running shorts out of it. I mean longs. It's got to get above 21, 22. $22. Excuse me. Don't think this breaks down. If this, I don't think we come much lower than 96. Gone small net delta, negative. Back into this low. Excuse me. This could come down to 96. Got 100 contract negative delta. There's almost 96. 150 contract negative delta. That's the low. And we hit 96 quarter. Two hundred contract negative delta. $200 contract negative delta. 213. This could go back to 10 pretty quickly. Maybe 11. We're off. Sellers on the open probably come down to 96 again. So that's now the low. I think 96 and then 89. BS sellers on the day, high or low. All right, new low. There's that 96. Let them sell. 500 sellers on the open here. Nice. Submitted trade. Immediately submitted a trade. Holding a pivot here. at 95, 96. This makes absolutely no sense to me. That made no farkin' sense. All right, we traded down into this zone. This is now below. Close out the damn trade and it's still selling off. Jesus, we're blowing through everything. We're coming down to 72. Now it just sold them again. Hit the trade goal. Wow. Boy, this should hold. Really should hold. 700 sellers. Okay, roll. This could push down to 72, but I just don't see it much lower than that. They're selling the hell out of them here, fellas. There's 72, and that's not holding. Now it's bouncing off 72. If we're going up, this is a place to start. $700 sellers. Yesterday's low was 661. ES is holding up fine. NASDAQ is getting abused. ES is starting to bid. Crude is bidding. Gold is selling. And Q's support, guys, is going to be about 380. And we got a gap fill now. Or a gap. SPYs with a small gap. Let them sell. Whatever they do, they do. SPYs holding in fine. Qs are just getting throttled. $1,100 sellers. Light volume. Nothing. ES may be a better trade. Can't believe I said that. ES, guys, is long. ES is longs. Long ES. Maybe if this 50 here, 50 quarter on the ES. Jesus, NASDAQ's getting throttled. 686 is support. I just don't see us coming to 686. That's daily. On the hourly, the way it's pressing, we could come to 730. All the way down into this next zone. Yeah, they are, Joe. Anybody take ES at 50? ES is moving up. There's 52. Target number one, if you took that 50, ES is 52.5. Just hit 52.5. They'll buy the NASDAQ, guys. I just don't have a trade yet. We only 1,700 sellers. Jesus, YM. They bought YM. Gee. YM's going to break out. So they're buying YM. I don't really watch Russell. They're buying YM. Crude, monster move up. Told you I thought it was longs. They bought gold. They're buying everything. They're buying everything but the NASDAQ. They're not buying Crackhead today. They're selling Crackhead. ES 5250 was first target. It hit it to the tick. Closing in on 2,000 sellers. $2,100. Looks like we're going to try to bounce back to 85. I'll be long above 97. SPY getting a bounce. Looking for 61. I don't know what you're, on ES. 57. You got target on ES. Now your target is 57. Next target is 57 on ES. Wow, crude to the moon. Almost $1 move. NASDAQ is going to try to get to 85. $85 if you're long NASDAQ. 84, that's your target. No buyers yet. They're buying some back. All right, we're down to 1,700 net sellers. Here comes that 84, and then above 89.90 we go. ES next target 57, guys. You're up 4 handles on the ES if you took the ES trade. Crude getting a small pullback. Q's bounced at the top of the 10-minute cloud. Q's bounced. 84.85 is target now on NASDAQ. Okay, that was support, now resistance. We're through it. Target hit on NASDAQ. We're about to flip into longs on NASDAQ on the small time frames. Not yet. If anybody took the long, you got 84.85. 57 target hit. T to the tick. NASDAQ fading that 85. Back to 1900 on the sell side. ES and YM, guys, were the trades. Well, NASDAQ short, I guess. YM breaking out on the daily. It's at an hourly pivot. YM breaking out. We're pushing that daily high from earlier in June. Tagged it. ES, if it pushes through 57, 58, it trades 72. Crude came into support at 66. Next target up on crude would be 75.19. Come on, NASDAQ, let's start a reversal here. Another push. NASDAQ probably trades 82, 83 on this push. It's trying. Your stop would have to be 52. I'm not touching this yet. I won't take this until we get over 87, 88. And then I'll try the long, 87, 88. ES trying to push through 57. Anybody still holding ES? Okay, guys. If we get through this 57 on the ES, if it can clear 57, 58, those Moderna calls I bought yesterday are up 32%. Moderna at hourly resistance if anybody else bought them. Moderna is going to need to get through 124.07. goes NASDAQ. There it is. NASDAQ gets above 88 and she goes 95. I like the longs down here, guys. I don't like the shorts. 400 buyers. We're below 1900 on the net negative delta. Here it comes. Got buyers. Buyers now. All right, momentum on the small time frames to the downside is waning. But I still have to get above 87, 88. Not even a pullback in the YM. Straight freaking up. I mean, straight up. This hourly candle is ginormous. Yeah, I don't look at RTY. Just takes up screen space. I don't trade it. National Association of Home Builders, guys. All right, NASDAQ's trying. 64 gives, you could try a 60, 65 long. 65 of the first target at 76. Didn't get there. Let me look at these Qs. Yep, they tagged. I should have bought Qs. I wanted 380. That's where I said I'd like to see it tag 380. It hit 380.05. That was your long calls. Buy. Straight. Here comes NASDAQ. Come on, you dirt devil. I mean, the buying isn't anything. Here we go. We're on top of resistance 64, 65. That's our entry, 65, 75, target 1. Okay, I'm long. Come on, baby. Come on, big fella. Tarjay filled. Free trade. There we go. Got your ass now. Got your ass now. Got him, fellas. Told you. Patience pays. Patience pays. I'll take one off at 87. All right, one to go. Now I'm trying to get to 810. 810. You guys good? Parlez-vous français? Oui. Well, let me say it this way. Je ne parle pas français. I had 4 years of French in high school. I actually can read and understand French better than I can speak it. But for years, I used to go to Quebec and ski. So I was forced to speak French because they won't speak English. Even if they speak English, they won't speak English. How about CL, fellas? We just roasted them, fellas. How about gold? We just roasted them. 74.8, you're up $4 friggin' on gold. You're up 30 ticks on crude, and we just toasted them on NASDAQ. Everybody go home. We're done. Thank you, Don. Anybody long? Today's the 18th. All right, guys. I'm going to buy 382 Q calls at 62 cents. Look at this crude go. Holy shnikes. Look at gold. I mean, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, fellas. We just beat them to death. Watch this. All right, flat, fellas. 15.20 on the trade. Boom chakalaka. Not shorts. Not shorts. I'm not interested in shorts. crude. Ain't no stopping us now. Look at that thing go. They're drawing sellers. I mean, they just came in the previous 12 minutes and bought 850, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1,400 contracts. Got 300 sellers in here. Holding support here at 64, 65. I still like the long. There we go. Still like longs. Bot's trying to go long. Pushing resistance here at 75, 76. Got to break up through this. Come on, baby. Go. There it goes. No, not quite. Come on, dog. Push here. Come on, get through 81. Let's go. 82. This thing goes back 87. There we go. Come on. Got to get through 82. We get through 82, we fly. Maybe the next 2-minute bar. Come on. This could drop back down to 65. Buyers are trying here, guys. I think this is going to go. I'm long in PA accounts. Come on, pop here. Ride like the wind. Get 82 and it goes. Get 78. Come on, push this little damn resistance. It's nothing. 79. 80. Got to get 82, fellas. There's 81. Push here, 82. 82 goes, this goes. I'm not watching ES. Oof, ES breaking out. Target 71. 71. That's for my 50 entry. Come on, NASDAQ, break 82. Right back down. Come on, it's trying, guys. If it gets through 82, this area here, we're going to get 85. I'll take one at 83 if I can get it. Trying to get 83 on one and then hold one in the PA account. Come on, don't lose that. Oh, sellers came in. A couple hundred sellers back in. I mean, I like the longs, Rick. That's me. But we need to get through 82, 83. I mean, I'm still hanging in there. It's not gone to a target yet. Come on, you rat bag. Guys, it's consolidating in here and trying. My opinion is it's going to break out and follow the ES. That is my opinion, but it's not doing it yet. All right, we're starting to get a squeeze. Still need 82 to go. Uh-oh. Target one hit and filled. This could do it here. This could do it. This could do it. 86.7 is next area. We get above, let's call it 88. We're going 95. 95. Come on, baby. Squeeze. Squeeze, you little dog. Squeeze. Come on. Got a little swing high at 87 that's got to go. All right, I closed it out. Didn't go. Still like long. Anybody buy Q calls? They're now up 8%. Nice job, Rick. 87 goes and this rips. Here we go. There's 87. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's gone. Told you we're going. Come on, get above VWAP and go. Oh, we got above that level, got to 90. Got to 90 half. Yeah, I'm holding them. Got to that 90, that level here. I still like it longs. Sellers came in. We got to VWAP. We failed with a negative delta. That's cool. Rick, you got it. You must. I mean, up 1375. You must have cleared PA accounts by now. I didn't take anything off on this trade. And we went from 79 to 91. Took nothing off. Let me look at this on a different time frame. Oh, hourlies are pushing pivots. That's why we're stuck. And 10 minutes as well. Okay. All right. I don't like this 10-minute chart, but I mean, 10-minute cleared resistance at that 85, 86. Smaller time frames don't look good. Come on, push up here. Let's go, Dirt Devil. There we go. I mean, we're holding this area, guys. We just can't break above or below it. It doesn't want to break up. It's the hourlies that are jamming us. I'm going to take 2 off at 80 just to get out of some because I don't like this price action. It's consolidation, but it won't break. Yeah, I know. I'm surprised. They'll rotate into the NASDAQ, I'm guessing. We've lost the momentum on the small time frames. The hourlies are killing us. It's trying like hell, guys. If we can get 5-minute bar over 81, this is good. Got a minute and a half to get a 5-minute bar close over 80, 81. I can't even get out of 2 of them a point higher. All right, out of 2 of them. Come on, push this resistance. There it goes. Freaking chop, guys. Just chop. Gold was a massive winner. 10 handle move. $10. Anybody still holding gold? Come on, 35 seconds. I mean, this thing is. I'll take the $100 loss. I'm tired of looking at it. Fuck. Come on, NASDAQ. Can't get out of this damn zone. Look at these since we opened. Look at this chop. Just chop. ES needs to push through 63, and that goes. At some point, they will rotate into this NASDAQ, and they're going to trap these shorts down here. TrendBot's annihilating itself today. I'll take 2 right at VWAP. 87. Not much, 5 handles. If we get above VWAP, we're going 808. Target 1 filled. Here we go. Come on, candle close above VWAP. Starting to get a little squeeze again. That swing is key right there. Come on, get above VWAP, you chump. There we go. There we go. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Hope you guys are fucking long. Long and strong, baby. Bye. Bye. Let me just check my positions. Told you they were going to get these shorts, man. Nice job, Joseph. I still like longs. Is there anybody that did not make money today, guys? Anybody not make money? We're stuck at 60-minute pivot, but the 11 o'clock candle can start moving this thing back up. Plus 710 overall. The bot on MNQ didn't help me much, but yeah, you're welcome, Ken. Yeah, I mean, I got chopped up too today. Bot's down 1450 for me, but it's in a trade. But I've left it on all morning. I mean, that's on me. All right, guys. Long. Now we're up on the 10-minute. We're going to trade to 820. This is big. 800. Big. Huge. It's huge. Getting over 800. Come on, give me that little swing here at 801. It's huge. Is there anybody, guys, that did not make money today? Anybody didn't make money? Have anybody down? Long NASDAQ, guys. It may fart around a little bit here, but we're going up. We're down to 1,100 and change on the net negative delta. We were at 30 some odd hundred. They just bought another 1,000, 1,200, 1,300 back. We could get a small pullback. I can't answer for Ninja, man. I mean, I had to shut my Ninja down. Just getting a pullback into support. Guys, there's 44 sellers in here. We could backtest VWAP at 88. No, this just took risk off. At this point, the only trades, let me hang on, guys. I'm going to set my bot for longs only. I will not take shorts now. Holding VWAP. $84 is support on the 5-minute. 84. And we still can't break out of this zone. We will once we get rid of Europe. All right, guys. I'll kill this long. All right, that puts me at 1,935 on the day. 1,935. Not our biggest day, but we could come back to 74. It's those hourly pivots. We're going to need to get an hourly candle above 802, 803. If the hourlies break out, this NASDAQ will take off. Not a bad day, guys, for dead of summer. long right here, 85. Long 85 right here. I'm long again, 85. Target 1 is going to be 90. Just above VWAP. It's got a hold 7. It did. Come on. Got 89. Come on, stink face. 89 and a quarter. I missed by 3 ticks. Come on. Push. Get through VWAP and go again. Target filled. Nice job, Mark. Target filled. Bye. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Here we go. Who's long? Who's long? Guys, if you find somebody that can read order flow better than me, I'm not trying to be self-aggrandizing here, but I'm telling you there's nobody that does. Sell 1. Holding 1. Take some profits. Take some risk off. If we get through 03, this is going to be meteoric. Meteoric. See what we look like on bigger time frames. Still got to clear this hourly. That's what's jamming us, guys. All right. I'm flat. I'm flat. Hourlies are jamming us, but at 11 o'clock we get obviously a new hourly, and that could do it. Twenty seconds, guys. Top of the hour. Come on, get out of here. There it is, gone. Okay, now you can go. Darla said it's long. So here's my bot, down 1770. I ran it all day in the chop. 03 is your entry on the long, and I'm closing up 23.35. I'm the wrong guy to ask, Charlie.